It's like a mix between a crab and a sea lice.
Yeah, let's not keep that.
It's gross. It's got eggs on it anyway.
Ooh.
We'll let it go. Now go. Ooh.
Ooh. It's peachy.
Goodbye.
Alright, here we go. Woo! Yay! Yay! We're going on a 4-day shrimping trip. Yay! Huh, buddy? Are we gonna catch some shrimp?
Here we are out of Whittier. We're doing our first and maybe only shrimping trip of the year. We'll see. But we've packed up, we've prepped up. We're going that extra mile. We're gonna try and spend some time out here and load up the boat with all sorts of goodies. Weston's first shrimping trip.
Yeah.
A good time. We have been planning this trip for like 2 months, maybe even longer.
You ready, buddy?
He's ready.
All right, drive the boat. Drive the boat. Yeah. You going?
Oh, hi. Hello. Welcome to Bigger Days Adventures. We're cooking some dinner right now. One thing we have learned over the years of camping is that as nice as it is to have a full-on meal, these just, oh, they're so good. They're so good. We did bring some stuff to like have fresh dinners, but this stuff right here is what it's all about.
This is our first night. Just got here. This is where we're hanging out.
It's quite nice, actually.
Yeah.
Little breeze.
A little breeze, but
We're ready.
yeah. Cool.
Do you see actually brought a
Weston's
table
doing
too?
good. Oh, nice. He brought a table, guys. We came prepared. We really brought everything. Our whole house, practically. Think, buddy.
Morning. We set these pots pretty late last night, right before bed. And after a fun night, we're pulling it for the first time, so we're just hoping. Huh.
No shrimp?
No.
Couple shrimp.
There's a few in there. He was still eating.
What do you think? The shrimp? Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's pinching me. It's pinching me.
It's like crabbish.
It's like a mix between a crab and a sea lice.
Yeah, let's not keep that.
It's gross. It's got eggs on it anyway.
Ooh.
We'll let it go. Now go. Ooh.
Ooh. It's peachy.
Goodbye. All right.
Alright.
Well, it's a start.
Yep.
hard to beat the views here, I will say. We're probably about, I don't know, maybe another half an hour before I'm ready to pick up the pots for the second time. The first place we tried, not as good. Out of 3 pots, we only got that, which I would have been happier if that was in 1 pot. But I will say, this is only like the, what is it, third or fourth time we've gone shrimping. So we're still learning. We appreciate all the tips and tricks you guys throw our way. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Yeah, there's like, I don't know, 25, 30 in there somewhere. But that's okay. I got the rods out right now. We're just kind of off of a point. Figured if there's any rockfish around, we might be able to kill some time catching them. I better pop the heads off of these things soon. Anyway, we'll continue on. Okay, time to go hang out and let the pot soak. What are you gonna do, Weston? We're gonna ride an inflatable. This is your first time. Yeah. Here we go. Alright, so we are pretty much done with day 1 of shrimping, and due to having a child that needs naps and trying to plan our day around that, we didn't really pull up the pots as many times as we wanted to. We probably could have done 1 more time, but it just didn't work out. But that's okay. This last go around, we were able to get a few more. We're definitely not killing it by any means. I think our best pot probably had about 20 in there. None of these are super jumbo. It's probably the biggest guy right here. But I think some fresh shrimp tacos is on our list. I've already did a little bit of cleaning, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of it. And we'll just keep on keeping on. Weather's still being nice for us. More importantly, we have a happy little kiddo in there. Bigger Days Adventures. Here we go.
Okay, here we are, day 2. Woke up at about 6:30. We actually got some better sleep last night, which was good. Trevin woke up, made some coffee. Weston's he's doing pretty good for his first long trip on the boat. Proud of him. And we're here picking up our first pot of the morning, so hopefully we did pretty good at this spot. If not, we'll probably try to find a different spot that could do a little bit better. So here goes nothing.
Alright, first pot of this set. Looking pretty promising.
Yeah, it was an overnight soak.
Yeah.
Nice.
There's probably, I don't know,
Better than
30
big.
30 something in there maybe. There's a big one too. That's cool. Sweet.
Cool.
Let's keep going, see what the others bring. Second pot looking pretty good. No, another one of Skeety.
No! Yay!
Pretty much looks about the same.
Yeah.
It's funny how they're like this color, and then they get that bright orange after we get them.
Oh yeah, like they brighten up.
Yeah. Cool.
Nice.
Much better.
Makes us feel a little bit better about our situation.
Yeah. They're starting to get like 5 or 10 a pot. You're like starting to wonder if the juice is worth the squeeze, you know?
Shrimpies. Another good one?
Yeah. Right, that's good. Not bad.
Cool.
There's some bigger ones than that one, actually.
Now we'll have to do a final
Cool.
count
We'll do
how
a-
much
yeah,
that
we'll do a
pull
final
was.
All right. Much better. I know it's not amazing. It's not like, you know, triple digits each pot, but this is good for us.
Yeah, it's definitely good for us. We're not greedy about it.
All right. Thank you.
Oh wow. Oh, whoa, yeah. Holy cow, look at this.
I am Joe. Oui, oui. Oui, oui.
Oui, oui.
Drop one. Okay, there's a little bit of ice in there. What's your guys' guess? How many? Alright, so one of the coolest things about getting fresh shrimp is cooking fresh shrimp. Today's menu is going to be Cajun shrimp and rice, corn. We're excited. There's something about an actual meal that just really sits home when you've been out. The weather kind of got a little bit more cloudy, little sprinkles here and there, a little breezy. Nothing scary, just not as comfortable. We tucked back into our little cove, and it's much nicer in here. But anyway. Okay. Do you have this? You have one of these? Nope.
He says go fish.
Nope.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, hello.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, buddy. Little.
Showing you all your tricks.
Oh no. No.
No.
No. Go yay! Oh yay! Hi.
Little.
Cutie. Well, last night was interesting, to say the least. I guess a big storm decided to come in last night, and it was blowing. I guess it was like rain and snow, and the boat was just like going in a circle and rocking pretty heavily. So none of us got any sleep. Weston really tried, but it was really difficult for him to get comfortable, and so then Trevin ended up sleeping with him, so got a little bit of sleep, but that was interesting. So I think after last night we're gonna go ahead and have this be our last pull of the day. So hopefully we got some shrimp, because we're ready to kind of head home a day early. Just we're all a little tired. So there's Trevin, he did wake up and make us some coffee.
Always gotta get the coffee. Yeah, that was unexpected, and the boat was definitely going circles, and there was just enough of a rock that it was kind of hard to get Weston down, but eventually we got there, eventually we got some sleep, and the weather's actually not bad now, so I think we're going to take a minute and head home. But that's 4 days, 3 nights. It's pretty good for our first long adventure with the little guy. He's almost a year old now, but we did manage to get some shrimp. I think we've got a few gallons now of tails, and then we're going to pull this last pot. Hopefully that'll be it, and we can reign victorious one more time. Either way, hope you've enjoyed this video, and I don't know, we might get a little bit more filming of this last pot pull, but stay safe out there, friends. Mother Nature is untrustworthy. Don't listen to the weatherman.
Right. What are your closing statements, Weston? You want us to take you out here again? Do the shrimping thing again?
Just thrilled.
Did you have fun? You did good, buddy.
Turn the motor to the right.
Some sun?
Blue sky patch.
A little pitch. You El Patchy. Scratchy. Scratchy. Winatchy. Winatchy. I'm a shrimp boat captain. I'm a shrimp boat captain.
Oh, a shrimp boat captain.
Build the gun.
Throttle.
Sketch.
Bring them out.
Bring it around. You say it.
Over to the right. Good for now.
Oh. Is it right now?
Yeah, neutral.
Good job, Weston. Doing all the work. Yeah. You're right, the storm brought it in. Nice. Pink, Weston. See the shrimps?
Maybe we'll find some less bouncy water to empty the pots out. Prepare for the long haul back to civilization.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. You ready to take a nap?
Probably 40? Maybe? 40-ish? I don't know. Something in there. That guy.
Whoa. That's a nice one. So for the people that don't know, what kind of shrimp is that?
Spot prawns.
Spot prawns. Okay.
Spot prawns.
Which is kind of crazy because they're really big like that, but then once you...
Yeah, by the time you get a tail off, they're kind of small.
Yeah.
But that's okay. This is our take home bag.
That's
There.
it. Did it.
A little bit of weight.
All right.
Most expensive shrimp you'll ever buy.
Bye-bye.